Well, hello everyone, this is Victoria Lowe and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today is a highly anticipated video as I will be showing you guys how I make labels. And first you're going to start off by making a label folder. Just want to make a folder, basically creating a new folder on your desktop so that all of the items that we're going to be downloading and creating today can be in one location and you won't have the hassle of looking all over the place for your stuff. The first website we're going to be visiting will be elementsbathandbody.com, and I'll be sure to link it in the description box below. And they're having a Black Friday sale, I see. But what we're here for, first I'm going to start off and show you guys the shrink bands. Now, I use these shrink bands after I put the labels on the bottles, and I just thought that it would be a good thing to share with you guys while we are on the website. You can get the shrink bands in a quantity of 100, or you can order a sample, but 100 is great for starters, and $2.95 is an amazing price for shrink bands. Okay, next we are going to go to labels. Now we are currently under the label tab, and we are going to click the 2.125 by 1.68 white inkjet labels. Now these labels are for inkjet printers, which is the regular printer that you would buy from the store. We are going to, first off, you will have to purchase these, and here are the prices. I would suggest about 2 pages for starters to get you started, maybe 2 to 5 pages. Then we're going to click Word Template, and then we're going to go to Save As, and we're going to save it under that desktop folder that we created. So it's going to be right here. We're going to just go ahead and put it as a Word template sheet, template labels, bottle labels. That's what I'm going to put, Word bottle labels. And then I am going to click Save. The next website that we'll be visiting will be thefont.com. I'll be sure to link that in the description box below as well. And this website is basically where I get all of my fonts from when I'm creating logos or when I'm creating website content or anything, logos, just things for marketing purposes. And as you guys can see, you can choose any type of font that you want, whatever your style is when it comes to your cosmetic line, whatever, tickles your fancy when it comes to creating a logo. I'm going to go ahead and I actually have a logo that I have in mind already. So I am going to pull that up. And I am going to show you guys how to download any font that you would like on this website. I'm going to go ahead and click download. Then I'm just going to hit save, and then I'm going to open the folder. And once it loads, you are going to download, basically click both of these, the jiggler and the jigglish. And once you click it, all you have to do is click on the install button at the top. Once you've installed it, you have it, and it's going to be loaded to all of your basically your document programs, like to Word, Photoshop, anywhere that you could use this font will be there available to you just like that after you hit install. And you guys, you can use the same way that I installed this font. We're going to install 2 other fonts. I'm going to go ahead and get this Simplicity font because I like how curly it is, and I believe that we could use that just to give you guys an idea of how you can create your logo. This is just going to be for the purpose of this video. And again, I'm going in and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download. I'm going to click Simplicity Fill because that's the one, that's the black one. The other 2, I believe, are the outlines. If you want the outlines, then you would click those 2, but I'm going to click the filled one, and then I'm going to hit install. Yes, I already have it. So, of course it would ask you, it wouldn't say that for you guys, but I already had it. So As you guys know, this website does have tons and tons of images, but the images that I'm going to choose to download today for the sake of this video is called KR Lippy, and I'm going to download this one as I downloaded the others. The actual lip that I want from this font family would be the letter J, so I'm going to be using the letter J. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to open up Photoshop, and right now, for the time being, you guys, they are offering a free trial, so you can use that or invest in it. You're going to need it. It's great to have. And we're going to go to File, and then we're going to go to New. And once you hit New, we're going to name this. We're going to click the inches of our bottle. First of all, the width of our bottle is 2.125, and the height of our bottle is 1.68, I believe. And then we're going to press OK. Well, no, we're going to go to transparent first. Make sure you select transparent so that you can put it on any background and select OK. And then we're going to hit view because this is way too small, and zoom in. And then we're going to select our typing tool. Select your typing tool. Resize it to about an 18-point font. And then we're going to select the font that we downloaded. We're going to go down to Budmo. Once I find it, I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to hit Jiglish. And then I'm going to set my color to black. And of course, we know the name of my brand is Very Veelo Beauty. I'm going to begin typing Very Veelo for starters. And then I'm going to move it around and center it to the middle of our bottle. This is basically our bottle turned sideways, just so that you can get an idea. Very Veelo will be running vertically down the bottle. And then I'm going to select my moving tool so that we can create a new text layer. Now I'm going to hit the typing tool, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select our new font, the second font that we downloaded, which was Simplicity, I believe, whatever it's called. And I'm going to click on the pink, pretty pink color, and I'm going to begin to type Beauty with a capital B. And now I'm going to position it where I want it to be. Then I'm going to click the moving tool, then hit the text layer again. Hitting the moving tool just allows us to create a new text layer more easily. So I hit the moving tool, and then I hit the create a text layer. Typing tool again. And then I'm going to find those cute little lips that we downloaded earlier. I believe the name is KR Lippy, the name of the font. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to click the letter J because that was the one I wanted, and I'm going to resize it, make it a little smaller so that it can fit next to Beauty. And then whenever you guys want to move a font around, all you have to do is go over here to the task bar and click on the name of the font, or click on the word that you created and just move it. Select your moving tool right here and move it. There you go. And just like that, we created our logo. I love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to File. This time we're going to hit Save for Web. And voila, there we have it, our logo PNG. This is actually a GIF file, but it's a transparency. So we're going to hit save, but we're going to save it to that same folder just so that we don't have to look for it. We're going to hit desktop, find the folder that you created and save it there. But first I'm going to label it. And you guys, this could be used as a logo as well. If your business doesn't currently have a logo, you can make a logo in the same exact way. So now that we created our logo, we have exited out of Photoshop, and now we're going to go back to the folder on our desktop. Click the folder on your desktop and click on that word bottle labels that we saved from earlier, the template that we downloaded. And we're going to insert it into our template sheet. You're going to hit insert and you're going to hit pictures. If you guys don't have Microsoft Word, they also have a free trial. For the sake of your labels, you're going to need it. And then we're going to go to our desktop file and grab that PNG that we just made in Photoshop. And just like that, you have pasted it inserted it to our template sheet. And we're going to copy this and we're just going to simply paste it in every box. It's as simple as that. I'm going to do 3 for the time being because it's for the purpose of the video. And I'm going to hit print, go to file and then print. There goes my printer and it is ready. And it's going to come up with a screen that says your margins are pretty small. It does that to me every time. Just simply click yes and ignore it. For printing, I just wanted to show you guys the print setup. I basically loaded the label sheet from Elements Bath & Body inside of the printer. And I connected the printer by USB. And now after I hit print, as you guys seen, it printed just like that. So simple. And now we have labels. Now we're going to put our label on our bottle. We're going to peel it off. I'm sorry I didn't get this in the frame, but we're going to place it on our bottle. And even though that's kind of crooked, you guys get the picture. And you have just bottled the label beautifully, easily. It's yours. You did it yourself. You can ship them out, put your shrink wrap on it, make it look a little more professional, and there you have it. You have labeled your own product. As usual, I want to thank you guys so much for coming to watch my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. So I really appreciate all of your love and all of your support. And if you have any more requests, I will be gladly to fulfill them. I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And also, you can follow me on Instagram at Very_Veelo. And don't forget, you guys, for those lipstick lovers out there that don't want to make their product, I also sell lipstick. So be sure to look at the link in the description box below and purchase a product. Please support my channel. All proceeds support my channel so that I can continue to come up and deliver this amazing content to you guys. Everything helps. Thank you, thank you, thank you in advance for your support. I love you guys. Remember, the sky is the limit. You can do anything you put your mind to. No excuses. Let's get to it. Feet to the ground. Let's go. Be blessed.